Looking at the economic news of the past few weeks, things are not going well in Germany. Trouble in the auto sector, the country's steel business, and just last week, economists revised their outlook for the country downward. But German shares are doing well, with the country's blue chip index trading near record highs. Lars Holter is with Deutsche Welle and he joins us from Berlin. Lars, what's going on here?
Thanks for having me. Yes, it's a very interesting question indeed. The DAX in Frankfurt has been trading upwards for almost a year now and is scratching the 20,000 points mark. It's hit several all-time highs along the way, and it does look like investors can celebrate that big number soon, 20,000 points. But yes, as you point out, why are shares going so high if many of the companies aren't doing well at all? The answer is rather frustrating. It seems that for most German companies, their home market isn't all that important anymore. Looking at the 40 companies that make up that blue chip index, just around 80% of their combined revenues comes from business outside Germany, with business at home basically making up only a fifth of the entire thing. Heidelberg Cement is a good example to have a closer look at. The company makes 9% of its business at home, so higher energy prices in Germany are a problem here, but they don't really apply to the majority of the company's business. Or look at chemical giant BASF. Yes, high energy costs have led the company to shut some plants in Germany, but they're growing in Asia and in America, and that more than makes up for the dire situation at home.
So are strong markets still a reaction to the companies doing well altogether?
Yes and no. On the one hand, yes, these companies that aren't looking all that great in Germany are doing pretty well on a global level. But there's other factors, of course, that are dominating markets as well. Look at the central banks. Both the ECB and the Fed in the United States have started lowering interest rates. And that means that any company's cost, their loans, their investments can be financed cheaper. And that, of course, also pushes profitability and, by extension, dividends. And now there's been a major stimulus package in China. So if that does to the Chinese economy what it's supposed to do, then we'll see the world's second largest economy expand once again after years in the doldrums. If that happens, of course, German companies stand to profit too.